Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Press the Windows key and the X key at the same time. This opens the Power User menu at the bottom left of the screen. Look down the list and find Device Manager in the options. Click Device Manager to launch the Hardware Management console immediately. If your keyboard lacks a Windows key, use the touchscreen to open the bottom left corner. This method works fastest in Windows 8. 1. And reduces extra navigation steps every time you need drivers. Swipe in from the right edge or move your mouse to open the Charms bar. Tap or click Search and begin typing Device Manager immediately. Windows will show matching results as you type on the Start screen. Select Device Manager from the results to open it directly. If you prefer voice, speak the search phrase with a microphone to speed the process. This search approach works across Windows 8 and 8. 1 with consistent results for hardware tools. Open the control panel from the Start screen or the desktop. Switch the view to large icons or small icons for easier navigation. Find and click Device Manager listed among the system tools and utilities. Alternatively, open Hardware and Sound, then choose Device Manager from that category. Once open, expand any device category to view drivers and properties for specific hardware. Use right-click on a device to update drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.